Hi guys, I'm Ian.
And I'm Ivan of II Automods.
And here we have the all-new Audi RS Q3. So for this car, we will be doing a full makeover on it, starting with the wide body kit from Parent Design.
As you can see, it has wider fenders, a new front lip, a ducktail to be placed in the rear of the car, and we also got carbon fiber wheels from Strasse. It's a two-tone finish, carbon fiber face with a gloss black barrel, and wrapped with Continental CSC7 tires.
Yes, CSC7.
These are now 22-inch as compared to the stock ones, which are 21s, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, 21s.
Yeah, then over here, we already installed the upgraded brakes.
This is an OEM Brembo carbon ceramic brake, 10-pot on the front, 4-pot in the rear. Just as like what Ian said, this is a brake caliper set similar to those in the Lamborghini Urus, RSQ8, RS6, cars to those liking. Since that was in carbon ceramic brakes, it won't anymore have any rusting issues like steel brakes. And the rear, if you can look at this is a 4-pot brake caliper, also OEM from Brembo. This is exactly the one that's on the 992 Turbo S. And it also got the Belfe electronic brake system to keep the electronic brake functional.
And then aside from those, we have already installed a full Milltek exhaust. So it's already running a Catless downpipe and with the stock valve control. So this thing is already screaming on the streets.
Yeah.
We are now driving the RSQ3. So starting with the interior mods, the only thing we did to the interior is this shift knob down here with the Black Forest Industries gear shifter. Actually, this engine shares the exact same displacement as the RS3. It's just that this one is the SUV kind of version. Now we already have tuned this car, and it's pushing around 370 wheel horsepower and about 400 pound-feet of torque. Beginning with like the right, since we installed the KW suspension on this car, the car is a bit stiffer since we placed it on the higher setting, but then it makes the drive a lot more smooth, and it still has the comfort that it had originally. So the first thing I noticed is the instant response. As soon as you step on the gas pedal, the car just wants to go, and you will hear the Eventuri intake as soon as the turbos spool in, and the shifts are just quicker than ever. So since we also added more power to this RSQ3, we did a TCU tune as well, which makes the shifting quicker and a lot smoother. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel to see more of our content, and yes, stay tuned to for more videos. Today we have a very special one for you because right beside me, we have an all-out Audi RSQ3. So beginning with the most obvious difference with the car, it is fitted with the Parent Design wide body kit. So starting with the front, it has the front lip, and then it also has these side arches, which is about 1.5 inches wider on each side. It also has side skirts running through the bottom, as well as these arches, which is connected to the door when it opens. Then towards the back, it has a trunk spoiler, giving it a more aggressive look. If we go to the other side, another thing that this car has are 22-inch wheels from Strasse. These are the SV10 model, and it has the carbon fiber inners on it. We equipped it with a Milltek full exhaust with the Catless downpipe, and I will also show you the engine bay because it just doesn't end there. Here, if we move forward, here, as you could see, the engine bay is equipped with the full Eventuri treatment. So here we have the intake, and as well as the Eventuri engine cover. We also added KWV4 coilovers on it to help with the rebound and the kit so that it won't rub. Stay tuned for the photos because we will be lowering it a bit more, and thank you for watching the video.